Hey, my name is Louis and this is the SANDMARC Prolight collection, a powerful and compact light for filmmaking and photography on the go. The Bi-color Prolight is perfect for any creator who is wanting to light up any environment, while the RGB Prolight is perfect for any creator who's wanting to set the mood or change the mood or emotions of any scene. So let's get started. What's in the box?
Right out the box, both Prolights come with the LED light, a silicone diffuser, a USB-C charging cable, and a 1/4-inch hot shoe mount. The silicone diffuser easily attaches to the Prolight like this. The diffuser helps soften the light output, making it even across the area you are trying to illuminate. If you're vlogging with the lights, the diffuser also helps soften the output for your eyes as you're recording. The 1/4-inch hot shoe mount screws onto the bottom of the Prolight like this. Tighten the top ring to secure the Prolight first, then slide the shoe mount over the hot shoe and tighten the bottom ring as so. To adjust the direction of the light, just loosen one of the tightening rings, adjust and re-tighten, and you're ready to go. To turn on the Prolight, hold down the power button for 3 seconds. Once they're on, the LED display on the back will show you the different settings you can control as well as the battery level on the top right. On the Bi-color Prolight, the LED shows the brightness power setting in percent under the battery status, which can be adjusted in 1% increments. The color temperature can be seen under the brightness level here, which can be adjusted from 3000 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. For those who don't know what Kelvin is, it's pretty much a scientific measurement for the color of the light itself. To switch between settings, press the adjuster wheel down on the side of the Prolight and you can see the selector switch to each setting. To adjust the levels of each setting, simply push the adjuster up or down until you get the desired setting for each. When turning on the RGB Prolight, there are 2 modes you can operate the lights on: HSV and FX. HSV, or full color mode, is the mode you will probably use the most. This is where you can control the color output of the light. FX mode is simply a fun mode with different lighting effects. To switch between these modes, simply press and release the power button and you will see the LED screen switch from HSV to FX or vice versa. When set to HSV, the LED will show 3 different settings you can control: H for color or hue, S for saturation, and the sun icon for brightness level. Again, all positioned under the battery display. To change the hue of the RGB Prolight, press the adjuster on the side of the Prolight until the selector is pointed to H. Then push the selector wheel up or down to change the color of the output. Here is a color wheel to understand how the hues work. The hues are measured in degrees, and this color circle will help you understand what color will be outputted at each degree. To adjust the saturation of the RGB, move the selector to S by pressing the adjuster on the side of the Prolight. You can adjust the saturation of each color from 0 to 100, 100 being fully saturated, by moving the adjuster wheel up or down. Finally, move the selector to the sun icon to adjust the brightness. Brightness can be adjusted in 5% increments, also by moving the adjuster wheel up or down. When set to FX mode, you will have 2 settings you can adjust. The first setting can be adjusted from F0 to F8, using the adjuster wheel on the side of the RGB Prolight. There are different effects you can scroll through. Pressing the adjuster at the bottom will move the selector to the brightness setting where you can adjust the brightness in 5% increments. The Prolight collection is made of industrial grade aluminum and comes with a built-in frosted glass to cover the 120 LEDs. The Bi-color Prolight packs a punch at 1500 lux with a CRI of 95+ and can last up to 100 minutes at max brightness. The RGB Prolight holds a consistent output of 700 lux at 96+ CRI and will last up to 90 minutes at max brightness. The Prolight collection is also compatible with all 1/4-inch hot shoe mounts. It is also compatible with our existing line of SANDMARC products, the Film Edition pole and the Film Rig, allowing you to use a light in versatile ways.